Welcome to ESG Unleashed, how environmental, social, and governance shapes business future. In this video, we'll explore how ESG factors are fundamentally reshaping the business landscape, attracting investors, enhancing reputation, and driving sustainability. This content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Are you a business leader, an investor, or simply curious about the forces driving modern commerce? If so, this video is for you. We'll delve into the profound impact of environmental, social, and governance principles, showing you why they're not just buzzwords, but essential pillars for long-term success. First, let's establish a clear understanding of what ESG truly means and why it has become so critical in today's global economy. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. These three core pillars provide a framework for evaluating a company's sustainability and ethical impact beyond traditional financial metrics. Environmental factors refer to how a business impacts the planet. This includes critical areas such as climate change mitigation, pollution reduction, efficient energy usage, and responsible resource management. Companies with strong environmental practices aim to minimize their ecological footprint. Next, social focuses on people. This pillar examines a company's relationships with its employees, customers, suppliers, and the communities in which it operates. Key aspects include fair labor practices, employee rights, diversity and inclusion initiatives, customer privacy, and community engagement. It's about how a company treats everyone it interacts with. Finally, governance refers to how a company is led and managed. This involves the effectiveness of its board of directors, executive compensation, shareholder rights, transparency in financial reporting, internal controls, and efforts to combat corruption. Strong governance ensures a company is run ethically and responsibly. Now that we understand the core components, let's delve into how ESG factors profoundly impact businesses, influencing everything from investor relations to operational strategies. ESG is a magnet for investors seeking sustainable and ethical companies. Companies with strong ESG performance often experience increased investor confidence and a lower cost of capital. Furthermore, integrating ESG principles significantly improves brand reputation, builds customer trust, and can foster long-term loyalty. Consumers are increasingly choosing brands aligned with their values. Beyond reputation, ESG helps businesses significantly reduce risks. This includes mitigating environmental liabilities, navigating complex regulatory landscapes, and addressing potential social issues like labor disputes or supply chain controversies. Moreover, ESG encourages innovation by pushing businesses to develop greener products, more sustainable processes, and socially responsible solutions, leading to competitive advantages. Many companies across the globe are already demonstrating how powerful ESG integration can be. Let's look at some inspiring examples. Globally, companies like Microsoft are recognized for their carbon neutrality commitments. Unilever is lauded for its sustainable living plan and social impact initiatives. Patagonia stands out for its deep commitment to environmental activism and ethical supply chains. These companies aren't just talking about ESG, they're living it. In India, Infosys is a leader in carbon neutrality and extensive social development programs. Tata Motors is making significant strides in electric vehicle development and cleaner production technologies. And L&T has successfully issued ESG bonds to fund green infrastructure projects, showcasing a commitment to sustainable finance. While the benefits of ESG are clear, implementing these principles is not without its hurdles. However, these challenges often pave the way for significant opportunities. One major challenge is accurately measuring ESG performance, as standards can vary. Another is greenwashing, where companies make misleading claims about their sustainability without genuine action. Furthermore, different countries have diverse ESG standards and regulations, adding complexity for multinational corporations. Despite the challenges, opportunities abound. ESG allows companies to build deeper trust with stakeholders, from customers to employees to investors. It opens doors to green innovation, fostering new products and services that address environmental and social needs, leading to new job creation. Ultimately, strong ESG performance helps companies compete more effectively in dynamic global markets. So what does the future hold for ESG? The trajectory is clear. It's becoming an undeniable force in the business world. ESG investing is projected to continue its rapid global growth, with more capital flowing into responsible enterprises. Regulations are also increasing, such as India's Business Responsibility and Sustainability Reporting, BRSR, making ESG disclosure mandatory for many companies. This trend points to greater accountability and transparency. Artificial intelligence and big data are increasingly being used to track and measure ESG performance, providing more accurate and real-time insights. Ultimately, ESG is evolving from a niche concern to a core value, embedding itself in the strategic DNA of businesses. It's becoming foundational for long-term success, resilience, and positive societal impact. In conclusion, we've covered the fundamental aspects of ESG and its transformative impact. ESG is far more than a passing trend. It is fundamentally reshaping how businesses operate, innovate, and grow, moving towards a more sustainable and equitable future. Thank you for watching ESG Unleashed. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions.